Good morning. It's January 6th, 2017, and we're going to try to make some almost vegetarian chili. What we have here, the first step, is we have to cook the beans. This is what was 2 cups of dry pinto beans that I soaked for about 10 or 12 hours in water and discarded the water. We're going to take these beans and put them in this saucepan and cover it with water, cover the beans with water, that is, and then cook them for a couple of hours till they're soft. By cooking them, we'll just bring them to a boil and then turn it down to simmer and watch them pretty closely so that they for sure do not get anywhere close to dry. So I'll be back. Okay, I covered the beans with water and turned on the gas. My recipe actually calls for putting in 1 chicken bouillon cube of a particular brand, the Knorr brand, extra large or large cubes. I don't have any, so I'm going to use these Kroger brand chicken bouillon cubes, which probably aren't as good, and I'm going to put in 3 because they're quite small. And this will fortify the water, because we're going to use this water for most or all of the liquid in the chili. So we're going to bring this to a boil with the lid on it and then reduce it to a simmer. We'll be back. While the beans are cooking, I prepared some of the vegetables. Here we have a little bit of garlic, a chopped up bell pepper. I took about 8 ounces gross weight of jalapeno and I seeded and cleaned the interiors out and chopped it. And then over here we have 1 diced up habanero. In the fridge I have a diced up onion. So when the beans are done, we'll be ready to start the chili. Okay, we're back. I have cooked the beans to the point where they're soft and taste very good. I drained the cooking liquid and kept it, and the reason I did that, I'm going to use the cooking liquid, but I want to be able to control how much I use. As a review, here's a chopped up onion. Here's our bell pepper and some chopped up chilies, tomato, a little olive oil, black pepper. Or, I'm sorry, the spices, chili powder, cumin, and a little bit of black pepper. So we're going to get the vegetables started in the Dutch oven. Okay, we got the Dutch oven up to temp, and I put in the vegetables, the onion, the diced jalapeno, habanero, a bell pepper, a little bit of garlic, and we're going to cook these down a little bit in here until they start to soften a bit, and then we're pretty much going to get everything else in the bath here, so we'll be back soon. Well, it's been a few minutes and these vegetables have started to soften. The bell pepper is not too soft, but that's okay. It's okay if it has a little bite. So we're going to add most of the rest to the party here. There's the tomato product, the mixture of spices. Trying to do this with one hand. The beans. And some of the cooking liquid from, I think all of the cooking liquid from the beans. We're going to give this a good stir so it's all nicely combined. And then let it cook down for a while. Okay, this is the final video section. I've already removed this from this pot and weighed it on a kitchen scale. So it yielded about 75 ounces by weight, which would amount to about 12 and a half ounce servings, which is pretty good for less than $5. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you make the chili.